Imagine checking into a luxury hotel that isn't built on land, but carved deep into an abandoned quarry. Welcome to the Intercontinental Shanghai Wonderland, also known as the Shimao Quarry Hotel, one of the most astonishing feats of architecture in the world. Today on TravelLux World, we're taking you inside this engineering marvel in Se Jang, China, to explore its jaw-dropping design, world-class amenities, and unforgettable guest experience. Whether you're a luxury traveler, an architecture lover, or just someone looking for the ultimate hotel bucket list destination, this is a place you need to see to believe. The Intercontinental Shanghai Wonderland was built inside an abandoned quarry in Songjiang District, about 30 kilometers from downtown Shanghai. This incredible project took over a decade to design and construct, with engineers overcoming challenges like water control, rock stabilization, and creating an eco-friendly structure that blends with nature. Designed by British firm Atkins and developed by Shimao Group, the hotel officially opened in late 2018. It plunges 88 meters into the ground, making it one of the world's only hotels that sits below the Earth's surface, with 2 floors even underwater. The hotel is set in the heart of Songjiang's Sheshan National Tourist Resort, a scenic area known for its lush greenery, rocky cliffs, and clear waters. The view from the upper floors stretches across the quarry walls and waterfalls, while lower floors give you an intimate, almost otherworldly connection to the lake below. Guests can enjoy panoramic views from glass elevators, rooftop gardens, and floor-to-ceiling windows in almost every room. The hotel features 336 luxurious rooms and suites, each offering a unique perspective of the quarry. The highlight? The underwater suites, where your bedroom overlooks the quarry walls, but your living room is submerged, giving you a mesmerizing view of an underwater aquarium. Standard rooms still feel ultra-luxe with modern Chinese decor, plush bedding, and high-tech amenities. Every detail is designed to give guests a 5-star experience that merges comfort with awe-inspiring scenery. Food at the Intercontinental Shanghai Wonderland is just as spectacular as its architecture. The hotel's signature restaurant, Mr. Fisher, sits partially underwater, letting you dine while watching fish glide past the windows. For elevated international cuisine, there's Commune, offering dishes from around the globe with floor-to-ceiling quarry views. And for cocktails, the Quarry Bar is the perfect place to sip a drink as the sun sets over the cliffs. This isn't just a hotel, it's an adventure destination. Guests can go rock climbing, bungee jumping, or ziplining right over the quarry. There are serene nature trails for hikers and a crystal clear lake for kayaking. Inside the hotel, guests can relax at the luxury spa, take a dip in the indoor pool, or work out with breathtaking views in the state-of-the-art fitness center. One of the most impressive aspects of the Intercontinental Shanghai Wonderland is its commitment to sustainability. The hotel uses geothermal and solar energy, recycles rainwater for landscaping, and incorporates the quarry's natural rock walls into its structure to reduce environmental impact. It's a rare example of a luxury property that is also a model of eco-conscious tourism. The hotel is about a 40-minute drive from Shanghai Hongqiao International Airport and roughly an hour from Pudong International Airport. For the best experience, visit between September and November or March and May when the weather is pleasant and the natural surroundings are at their most beautiful. From its breathtaking location to its underwater suites, the Intercontinental Shanghai Wonderland is more than just a hotel. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. If you're ready to add something extraordinary to your travel bucket list, this is the place. For more luxury travel guides and insider tips, subscribe to TravelLux World and start planning your next unforgettable journey.